What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now working on a few things, and something hit me that I wanted to share with you. Have you stored and saved your passwords and your accounts for your loved ones in a safe and a nice place? So if anything happened to you, there won't be no problem with them getting to your accounts or having to go to a lawyer to certain things out. You got everything set out, so whatever your assets is that don't have to be divided immediately, they can go to the accounts and get the money out. They can go through this and do this without having you there because they got the passwords, they got the account, they can get the money or whatever you have, the assets. And if it's things that they need to know about you, you got the passwords and the accounts. And I think that is very wise as man, as families, as businesses to do this, because this right here would help you save many headaches. I have overheard lawyers that I have been on YouTube watching that have made majority of their money from families who didn't prepare before they passed. Right, they had to get passwords and do this, and the lawyer had to do that type of work, and the family had to pay them so much to get that done. There's no need to do that. Let's cut out the middleman, okay? Let's write our passwords, our accounts down, get something and put it in a place where we trust, someplace where the loved ones that we need that information, they can get it somehow. And it's not going to be complicated. It's not going to be hard. That's what we got to start doing. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. HogOn.